The next High on Life video takes us to St. Kitts and Nevis, where emerald mountains rise from the sea. The waves crash right against the untouched shores and the sun. It paints every moment in gold. This is a place where rhythm lives in the air, the adventure calls from every corner, and the island time. It reminds you to breathe, to feel, and to live. From volcanic peaks to crystal clear waters, this Caribbean escape doesn't just welcome you, it lifts you. This is St. Kitts and Nevis, and this is High on Life.
Welcome to St. Kitts and Nevis, a place where every sunrise feels like a fresh start. Warm breezes, smiling faces, and streets full of stories waiting to be discovered. Slow down, breathe deep, feel the energy of the islands. Every moment here reminds you the real high is being alive. Welcome back to High on Life, where we chase sunsets, good vibes, and unforgettable moments around the world. Today, we are taking you to a hidden gem in the heart of Caribbean, St. Kitts and Nevis. A stunning twin island nation in the northeastern Caribbean, with its pristine beaches, lush rainforest, and rich history, this smallest sovereign state in the Western Hemisphere is a treasure trove of culture, adventure, and natural wonders. From the vibrant streets of Basseterre to the tranquil shores of Frigate Bay. 2 islands, endless trails, jungle adventures, volcano climbs, untouched beaches, and the kind of local culture that makes you feel every moment. This isn't a vacation, this is a journey. So grab your sunscreen and let's dive in. Frigate Bay is the name of 2 bays located close together on the island of St. Kitts. The 2 bays are located southeast of the capital, Basseterre, at the northern end of the Isthmus, joining the southeast peninsula with the rest of the island. Now, you are standing on the sun-kissed shores of Frigate Bay Beach, St. Kitts and Nevis. The warm sand feels luxurious between your toes, and the sweet scent of tropical flowers fills the air. The turquoise waters lap gently at the shore, inviting you to take a dip. The sound of reggae music drifts from the nearby beach bar, enticing you to explore. You are feeling adventurous, relaxed, and ready for whatever the island has in store. Some tips and essentials you might want to know. Best time to visit for fewer crowds and stunning photography opportunities? Always early mornings or late afternoon. We were during late afternoon, and really, wherever we go and the water is crystal clear and warm, we always look for the rocks. Why? better for snorkeling, always what we have experienced, really. Savor delicious Caribbean dishes and refreshing cocktails at beachside eateries. You can engage with vendors, try freshly caught fish, and attend beach barbecues to experience the local culture. Explore the strip, visit the lively bars, restaurants, and club along the beachfront. And of course, exercise caution. Avoid walking alone at night and keep an eye on your belongings. Now that we are talking about the top attractions of the island, Timothy Hill is one of the top attractions to visit while exploring Frigate Bay. Timothy Hill is the most scenic overlooks on the island. Taking the breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, the scenic overlook is a great spot for photography, with these oceans as a stunning backdrop. Browse the local vendors selling souvenirs and snacks. Don't forget to capture some memorable photos with the live monkeys. You heard me right, although this comes with a $10 fee. Enjoy the lively atmosphere of this popular tourist spot. The Circus. The Circus in St. Kitts and Nevis is a vibrant hub located in the heart of Basseterre, the capital city. This charming roundabout is modelled after London's Piccadilly Circus and features a stunning Victorian-style Berkeley Memorial Clock Tower, erected in 1883. The Circus is a significant historical site showcasing the island's colonial past.
Now this is Brimstone Hill Fortress in St. Kitts, sitting 800 feet above sea level. Just imagine looking down at the ocean while guarding a fortress. Would you survive that? Comment yes or no way. This fortress was built in the 17th and 18th centuries, stone by stone. Crazy, right? They turned sheer rock into one of the strongest forts in the Caribbean. They even called it the Gibraltar of the West Indies. And guess what? It was captured only once in history. Just one time. That's some serious resilience. Today, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a place where history, culture, and stunning views collide. Look at this.
Thanks for joining us on this adventure in St. Kitts and Nevis. Another amazing day on this beautiful planet. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures and positive energy. Until next time, keep your head up and your heart high on life.